welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Monlisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. SSA teachers presents 5 demands to the government. Where did the money for COVID-19 victims disappear? KSU discovers the inefficiency of the anti-infiltration in Birmingham. And EJNC stands against Assam false claims over Mokro. Another news in detail. The All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association AMSSASTA at an application sent to the Minister of the Education Department Rakam A. Sangma presented with 5 demands left pending, which the government is yet to meet, having neglecting all these years. The president of AMSSASTA, Last Foyers Marngar, stated that the 5 demands, which includes the release of monthly salary or at least once in 3 months, to recognize SSA teachers as full-fledged government teachers, to send their salaries directly to their bank accounts and not through school managing committee's account, to release the pending salary of 8 months related to 2016 and to raise the salary of SSA teachers, which is still given as a daily wage. Since the leaders of the association were unable to meet with the Education Minister, the application was submitted to the officers of the Education Department to do the needful. They also requested the Minister to address these issues in the coming budget session. Kaban Salong Notion.
Nagaling jungi kum ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association. Nyuan hang ne khmat dot pensaya po ka media ba menin ka singi lawan bu ya kane ka memorandum ba nimsham lai la bane kundu minister in charge ring la shu bu apo kia office jungi namta gi jingdawa jungi kap tu kat ne ka ka bede bat ni kinu ka SSA po ka jalahi bro away gi jingdawa jungi kilom kum ne ha ka bani kong ni dawa ya kane ka sarkar ka batmai ni soban ai burom ya ka sarkar kane ka batmai so menta ba du minister ba menta ba dang yo tmai nang menta dang sisiar singi tingi soban ai ko burom khamtam ya ka sarkar ba kalale sitom hai gini snem gi balada bat ni soban kentu sakne ka snem go menta bat khamtam gi ki point gi bangi labu so sarkar gi point gi bani kong kolong ba ni dakwa ka sarkar ka ba menta ka ban siuti kena ya ka tulop jungi man la ubnai lani lak num lo sisin lai bunai gmut ba qatarli kata ketika gajing dawa jungi ke banikong ya sarkar ba kamde ben pensa teng kumini ki snem ki baladap kata ke jing dawa ke banikong ba gajing dawa ke baar kedai ba nagaleng jungi no KSSA balas lemba ni trang bahaya kata bangi dakwa ba ka sarkar kan itu no yangi kum kita kino hikai jong ka sarkar lani jong go government Meghalaya hi nomor bahadu menta ingi kino hikai SSA kim sem patla itu lani kim patselala regularize ya ko post ni kum kinu hikai SSA ni kinu hikai bapura jong ka jala Meghalaya jungi man pikmi no ya pia kane kna bangin yo no ya ka hok jungi kum kinu hikai ya kane ka bala pensa daki snem hadu mentah te na bat ke jing dawa ka ba kabasan kelong ba nakaleng jungi kum kinu hikai ni dakwa ya kane ka sarkar bahkan pek no yangi kinu hikai SSA la kumno ban pen kintiu la ban pen he no ya katulop jungi kum kinu hikai SSA nomor bahadu menta katulop jungi kadang ya serim kum gi mestrul dan kum ginong tri job cut ngin suong no ka wages ko jungi tingin dan kam ya sarkar bida kerpat ya sarkar basung rate bala kumno topik lem no ha ka bede bat kene ka tulop ka jungi ngim sim tho kat no pide ban siu ban enhan singi ringi nim ngim dawa kat no ba phi pen kiu ngi gim dawa kat no ba phila ban ai ringi da kerpat ka sarkar kat ka bala kat ka bas ngubit na ka sarkar ba la kom no di bat kiu no ya kene ka tulop jungi te kita gidi gi dawa banglawan ni kendu menin bat ki nong tre po office jong minister in charge ban layu ai ya kene ka memorandum ko mo sisil ba ngida kermen bro baleng ba kini gi jipet sengau jungi bat ngida kerpat iru ba kene ka budget session ka bat sasyong no sien hat tayo banwan ngida kerpat bat to sim gini ki pon jungi bat to ya kren nang ta bat ni kwa ba lakum no ban pen urlong lem gini gi jing dawa jungi
sum of 50,000 to be given to COVID-19 diseased families. The answer from the government was that it had given the amount of money promised to all the affected. Whereas dispersing Rani encountered with several families who claimed they did not receive anything as such from the government when the family members passed away due to COVID-19. He urged the particular families who became victims of COVID-19 and who did not receive any financial assistance as promised from the government to bring to his notice for settling the issue.
Te kuma penken mai pi kan negeri ka RTI ba file slam dengan ayat report ne benai baar menyo tarik Feb arja alpulai di kani kumasukan mau pi ba kani kani direction yang Supreme Court haga lai ko tarik benai benriu arja alhuai ba nak yang Supreme Court kala direct ya National Disaster Management Authority through the State Disaster Response Fund ban aya kitu gibriu kina sampai jar ya bahayeng dong itu ki bayap now covid ti habedai begini ka jimpan dengan yang kini ka RTI ti nakalang kini ka disaster management ka government of Meghalaya ka inform yang ka ongba ya gini ki sampai jar ladep Aisyah baro itu gibriu ki bayap now covid ti ka total ka balai ka baro kitu bayap ka poi hadun riu klur riu pun riu lak riu lak te nasuya tu epi ba kidon ki complain yang abun ba agi ong ba tenyo itu pesan hoja te kitu ki complain yang karpat ba ling ba kani ka president ba ain daga sini so ba ain form yang marikot sla ki kerteng dengan oyak baro ba pi di bahayeng do pi baro khoi ki don ba kalis banga te kino ki bomyo ai kani san hoja la karpat epi ba pin penting sangat bukan lek ya kan? Kaba don kap. Revenue Disaster Management Department Government of Meghalaya.
Kadang ki penting ba don ki khat na jupal.
Katu ka jingklat kadon ha kawai ka list ka bang apa ni efisien insya kawai ka list ba buan ha kot sawaja tengkar ba jirok. Ti katu ngatrai nak tu ke bangai mencuba klik ya tu ke bangai ke tuntun mencuba baik kreatif berok kan ngut ki bayam hang tu ngala ban ke kulit kan no ki pisahan kan ngut ki don ki bayam bersan hoja na total tu rami jingken nen riu kulun riu lak di khususi ke poin ne kalau suan ai ne kalau ba ngayo ka sakhi ke ba gidon ki pompat yo ini sa sen hoja ha ka tip jonga don ba sikomut ye ba haru mentang ngayo tip di kebun di kita nak ni keba air pres mengamta try ubun kisah kontak inga bedi begini ka
em long ki penpau claim
adian berkelari claim ki aida ne umtai ki jing aida ko office ka delivery system hone posti juni de kalong ba jabo ba
penting kita kidau ki ai
kita kalong ba nakadaw ke department ke pat transfer ki sas ko ka kau ne umtai yang tip gaya kalau hukum kalau kami ke bangayo minta dengan sabut dia lembaga komplain ke bagi komplain saya masalah yang berkam.
After the leaders of the Khasi Students Union discovered migrants in Umsning entering the state without proper documents, they were sent away to where they came from. On the 14th of March, Lester Nongbet, the organizing secretary, along with other members of the union, went down to Bernihat to track the cause to the infiltration of migrants in the state in huge numbers, despite the presence of the anti-infiltration check gate of the state under the supervision of Meghalaya police. In the inspection, it is found that the anti-infiltration police do not possess suitable equipments to discharge their duties and prevent illegal migrants to enter the state. The police do not even have a vehicle at their disposal. The documents checked for the entry is only the EPIC and Aadhaar card.
Nakliang kaseng hadin ka jeng lap ka jeng yo banbat nakapor sakapor ya ki parjala ki bawandrong sanekari ka be jongi klem kano karakot kasla bat kabadang sudap lapsen kabadai hau khat artrik ubnai leber badai mencisngi Kalian kaki isu kadang siu abad kumba khandai pungut ki barjala ki bakam kot kamsla ki ba wan ban ki badan jumut ban lektrei chatai support Jantia Hills hadin ka jingyo lap hadin ka jingyo abad kalian kasen gila pen pai yaki bat hadin kata menta kasngi kasen kala sim sundan ka sen jam banwan ni hapo anti infiltration check gate yang ka sarkar jela bat markhmat kasen kala lap ya kajing doko ya karukum trikam hakaba nuksa ibarat ba hangni po check gate nakaliang ka sarkar jela nakaliang ka department tang ban penbiang ya iwe ikali ru amla amdan kali syubu menta nuksa ala raja ba phet kita gi bar jela ki bawan imbe dak imbe dak jat te kani kalong ka penpa ka jing doko trikam sabah sebab palat jong ka sarkar jela bat tindiat ru hadin ka jing ya keren but in charge dong kane ka infiltration circuit ngelap ba ya ki barjala haba kita lasi ang dagi epic but ipankat amdan kono ka an ka bante perking yaki nuksa house name ajak hadway kaladan kane ka workman act hanrai am trekam arajar khanreu la trekam ya ka MRSSA i bahkan trekam hangno ru hau arajar khandai la shna ya ka bai road bai lin ka bangin ong man trekam ya ka MRSSA